Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think, say, you can be one good Christian and not take care of the people them we in your family? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait for, do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to Timothy, chapter 5, from verse 1 to verse 16. No disrespect the old man them in a church and talk to them any way. Talk to them like how you would have talked to your father. Talk to the young boy them like them are your brother. The old woman them, you have to talk to them like how you would have talked to your mother. And the younger woman them, talk to them like them are your sister. Do this with one clean heart. Respect and take care of the woman them with husband dead and we really need help. But if a woman with husband dead have picnic or grand picnic, and them supposed to take care of her. Them fi take care of her just like how she did take care of them. Them fi take care of her because that God want them to do. And the woman with husband dead and have no family are the one the church must help. She are the one with trust in a God with all her heart. Pray night and day and ask God for help her. But the woman with husband dead and uncle care about what she want and know what God want. Fear her spirit dead even though she still alive. Make sure the church understanding sitting here so nobody can have nothing bad to say about them. But anybody will not take care of their own family them, I turn them back on God's word and worse than somebody will never believe in a God at all. No woman with husband dead, nothing dep on the list before she turned 60. She must only did have one husband too. If she go on the list, people must know her for the good sitting them where she do. They must know her because she bring up her picnic them good. Always open up her yard to people and she wash the foot of the believer them. They must know her because she help anybody when need help and cause she do all kind of good sitting. No put no woman we under 60 pandalicia. Cause the nature we cause them to go married again and draw them from God. That means say them would have broke them promise to God. Cause the woman them pandalis promise to not married again, but live the rest of their life and do God work. Plus, if they go around from yard to yard, then we get lazy. Then we get lazy and start susu, cause trouble and talk things where they know fi talk. So, I want the younger woman them with husband dead fi go married again. Them fi get married, have picnic, and take care of them family so that the people when not like we can't have nothing bad fi say about we. Cause some of the younger one them don't turn way, gonna follow Satan. If one woman we believe in a God, have one somebody in her family with husband dead, she fi help that woman there. She fi help her so that the church can go help the woman them we really need help. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.